Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Don't go away for this special edition.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we're here out on the awesome Panama City Beach,
Gorgeous.
right next to the county pier. And we have found one of our favorite beach safety crews right here. So tell us more about it, Britt.
So we wanted to take this opportunity to remind you about some important safety information when you're out here vacationing in Panama City Beach and beyond. Over here on the Panhandle, we have a very simple flag system
Yes.
to help keep you safe while you're vacationing out in these world's most beautiful beaches.
Absolutely.
One of the things that's very, very important to remember, if it's a double red flag, you better get your bottom out of the water.
Out of the water. It's dangerous. It's just not, don't go in there.
Absolutely. No buts about it. Absolutely. If there's a double red flag, you need to get out of the water. It is closed and there are consequences.
Absolutely. You get fines. And of course, let's just talk about the safety of it all. Okay. So many rescues, and that we don't want that to ruin a vacation or a life.
You are here to make memories, not to hear sirens go off, and not to be in the hospital with your loved one. A quick note on the yellow flag. While we do want you to go and enjoy the beach, we want you to still treat it with caution, like you would a yellow light if you're driving. So if you have small kids, don't be fooled by the water. If it looks peaceful, still be aware of possible rip currents and undertows. So real quick pop quiz. What kind of flag do you need to stay out of the water?
Double red flags, out.
Double red flag,
Can't do it.
You've got to get out of the water. We hope you enjoy your stay in Panama City Beach and beyond.
So while you're visiting and bringing your family, making those amazing memories here on Panama City Beach in Northwest Florida, we just want you to be safe and aware of our flag system.
Absolutely. And for more tips like these, for your stay and to find out real estate deals here in the area, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell.